150 residents of Naifor Island, Obijo, a riverine community in Warri Southwest local government area, have been enrolled into the Delta State Contributory Health Scheme, courtesy of Light Up the Creeks Foundation, a charitable organization. The gesture is in response to the clarion call for individuals and groups to key into the Indigent Enrollee Adoption Initiative of the Delta State Contributory Health Commission in its avowed commitment to breaking all forms of barriers in accessing quality healthcare in the state. The Director General and Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, Dr. Isaac Akpoveta, commended the chairman of the Light Up the Creeks Foundation, Chief Favor Izuokomo, and his management team for prioritizing the health of the people, saying that the state governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborori, has invested heavily in the health sector, especially providing free health care for pregnant women and children under 5, while subsidizing healthcare for those registered under the formal and informal plans. Dr. Akpoveta, represented by the Director Planning, Research, Statistics and ICT of the Commission, Mr. Emmanuel Akpofure, said health care is not a luxury reserved only for the rich, and called on other well-meaning Deltans and groups within and outside the state to sponsor health insurance for vulnerable people around them at a government-subsidized rate of 7,000 naira a year per person. He assured the people of the state government's commitment to inclusive access to health care in line with the moral agenda of the Governor Sheriff Oborowori administration.
A significant step in our unwavering commitment to ensuring inclusive healthcare access, especially for the most vulnerable members of our society. The invitation to launch this initiative in a hard-to-reach riverine community is both symbolic and strategic, underscoring the Commission's dedication to extending healthcare coverage to every corner of Delta State regardless of geographical constraints. This initiative aligns with the more agenda of His Excellency, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborowori, the Governor of Delta State, which prioritizes healthcare accessibility as a fundamental pillar of good governance. By bringing health insurance coverage to the riverine communities, we are reinforcing our commitment to equitable healthcare access and ensuring that no citizen of Delta State is left behind. The Indigent Enrollee Adoption Initiative is a call to action for all well-meaning Deltans, both at home and in the diaspora, to support the less privileged by sponsoring their health insurance coverage. This initiative encourages political leaders, local government chairmen, honorable commissioners, legislators, high net worth individuals to contribute towards providing health care for indigent residents, thus eliminating the financial barriers to medical services.
The chairperson of the Light Up the Creeks Foundation Management, Mrs. Abajo Jolomi Paja, and Pastor Jeremiah Sampson, said the foundation, which is a gathering of like minds, understood the plight of people living in the creeks and was working to reach out to the vulnerable through various forms of empowerment. Hence the move to sponsor health insurance to enable 150 persons in Naifor Island access healthcare freely for a whole year. They commended Governor Sheriff Oborowori for his giant strides in the various sectors of the economy and the Commission for providing a platform through which indigent persons could be sponsored to enjoy the state health insurance scheme, saying that they were happy to partner with the state government in this regard.
I really feel overwhelmed. This is a dream come true for our foundation, and this is a dream come true for the people who've been nursing this ambition for a very long time, and today is a reality, and I believe we have impacted our people health-wise, and we've educated them as well on the Delta State health scheme, which I believe most of them wasn't aware of it, but bringing it to the people through the Light of the Creek Foundation, they are more aware and they are more responsible for their health.
And also, I would like to appreciate our governor for this great initiative. Indeed, is a governor that loves the people. Over time, he has shown that to all Deltans. So we want to appreciate the governor of Delta State, the person of right, Honorable Elder Sheriff Borowori. God bless you. Light of the Creek Foundation is a charitable organization founded by like minds and shared by Honorable Shifego O. Izokumo, the EDSS Tesopade, the chairman of this foundation, and a group of persons that came together to found this organization. And we are bent to provide support to the aged, giving them support, health support. Like what we are doing today is one of our aims and objectives, is to give a helping hand to the aged ones, the less privileged.
The state coordinator, National Health Insurance Authority, Mr. Sunday Ojone, represented by Mr. Samuel Uzoka, said health insurance was key to solving challenges of health complications and death resulting from poverty, as it saves out-of-pocket expenses and helps spread good health. Beneficiaries were excited as they expressed gratitude to the state government for the scheme, while also thanking their sponsor, Mr. Favor Izuokomo, and his team for the gesture.
I feel joy. I get happiness.
High point of the event was the presentation of a plaque to the sponsor, Mr. Favor Izuokomo, as a health insurance ambassador by the Commission, registration of the beneficiaries into the scheme, as well as the presentation of health cards to the new enrollees. Eunice Emeazia reporting.